Ever wondered what are the mysteries that lie behind the science of clouds?
No, don't care.
Thought of it made me want to burst into rain showers.
Ooh, let me hear it.
Okay then, clouds are masses of water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Their different shapes, textures, and forms depend largely on the conditions like humidity, air pressure, and so many others under which they form and later develop.
This diagram shows how clouds are formed. First, water evaporates and fills up the atmosphere. Then, it clings to other particles present in the atmosphere. As water vapor rises, its capacity to hold water decreases as it cools. Then, water vapor condenses, forming clouds. Oh, why don't we introduce ourselves to our viewers who are enjoying this video as much as I am enjoying this discussion. Let's start with you, Cumulus.
I am cumulus. I come from the Latin word cumulo, meaning heap. I am approximately 6,000 feet above the ground, making me a low-level type of cloud. I indicate fair weather.
Hello there, I am Cirrus, coming from the Latin word cirrus, meaning light and wispy. I go as high up as 30,000 feet from the ground, making me a high-level cloud. I bring happiness to my fair weather. It's your turn, Stratus.
Talking in public makes me uncomfortable.
It'll be alright.
Fine. I'm Stratus, coming from the Latin word strato, meaning layer. Like my attitude, I'm a low-level cloud that has a height of 6,500 feet. I bring light drizzles and small amounts of snow.
And finally, we have
Don't even mention my name.
Cumulonimbus.
Whatever. I'm cumulonimbus, coming from both Latin words cumulo, meaning heap, and nimbus, meaning storm. I can reach a height of 30,000 feet, and I can wreak havoc on your lives with my heavy rains and hailstorms.
Anyway, one factor that can affect cloud formation is the terrain. As air is forced to rise as it collides with a terrain obstacle, it cools, thus forming clouds.
Another factor is weather fronts. Warm fronts rises above the heavier cold fronts, causing the warm air to cool, forming clouds.
Too much of something is bad. Too little of something is bad as well. This idea can apply to clouds as well.
Just like how Cirrus's overjoyfulness is killing us all.
Hey,
Stop it, guys. Your fighting is making me cry.
Clouds. Anyway, if there were no clouds present in the Earth's balance of temperature and the water cycle will be disrupted, thus making our planet too inhabitable to live on.
if there are too much cloud, then greenhouse gases like water vapor can over-insulate the Earth, making the Earth too hot to live on.
Like me, clouds have very important roles in this planet.
We regulate the temperature by
Absorbing heat from the Earth and the Sun and radiate it back towards space or back towards the Earth.
We reflect sunlight as well.
Let us see how a cloud forms from a water vapor into a cloud through the experiment entitled Cloud in a Bottle. To do this experiment, one must first pour alcohol into the base of the bottle. Alcohol is very volatile, resulting into a very visible cloud. Next, swirl the contents of the alcohol inside the bottle. Then, pump a lot of air into the bottle to increase the pressure within the bottle. Then, release the bottle cap to release the pressure within the bottle. Invincible water vapor are all around us. Pumping air into the bottle causes the water vapor inside the bottle to compress together. Releasing the compressed air causes it to expand, thus making it cool, forming clouds.
Oh, look at the time. I guess it's time for us to head back to the sky.
Hope you enjoyed whatever these nerds talked about.
I hope you learned something from our presentation. Thank you for listening.